Right, another news then. The Committee for Section 194 inquiry has met up to map up the way forward, including briefing by Parliament's Legal Services on the appointment of the evidence leader relating to the Public Protector's inquiry into her fitness to hold office. This comes as the deadline looms tomorrow for the Public Protector to respond to President Cyril Ramaphosa's ultimatum for reasons why she should not be suspended pending the outcome of the inquiry. Section 194 of the Constitution empowers the President to suspend her after the start of the inquiry, but the Public Protector has threatened to interdict the President. Let's get more on this. We cross to our reporter, Lulama Matya, who has her ear on the ground for us on this. A very good afternoon to you, Lulama. Maybe perhaps if you can give us a sort of quick recap about this process that I believe started this afternoon around 2 o'clock. What led to this establishment? And maybe we should take a step back, and also this inquiry into the fitness of the Public Protector to hold office. How far are we in terms of that?
Good afternoon, Flo, and the viewers. Well, it started, the establishment of this committee, Flo, started when the Public Protector, various institutions, after she has issued a report after an investigation, they take her to court. One of those institutions that maybe perhaps, Flo, I can mention is ABSA and the Reserve Bank. The Public Protector did an investigation on them, and then after she had released her report, she was taken to court. The Constitutional Court later ruled that she misrepresented her facts and that she acted in bad faith. And then after that, Flo, the DA here in Parliament, considering that she was losing a number of cases when her reports are taken to court, the DA submitted a motion into asking Parliament to investigate her fitness to hold office. This committee was established. It was established in April last year, but we are fast approaching April. In fact, actually, from Friday, it's 1st of April. It has not yet started its work because of interdicts and court cases that the Public Protector, she is approaching the courts, interdicting this process, that it must not continue. Yeah. So I guess that's how we have arrived here, Flo.
All right, so let's then talk about where we are right now in terms of where the committee is. And I suppose there's not a lot that can be said today, because we're also awaiting the Public Protector's response to President Cyril Ramaphosa's letter in which he asked her why he shouldn't suspend her. So obviously they can't really get far, can they? But maybe you can tell us where they are.
Well, Flo, the committee is determined that it is going ahead with their investigation, because they are saying that the process that the Public Protector is undertaking of going to court again to rescind, asking the Constitutional Court to rescind its decision, has nothing to do with them. They are saying that there is a parliamentary process. They are doing their work as required by the Constitution. The suspension of the Public Protector has nothing to do with them, because that's the role of the President, and the President is doing his job. Whether the President decides to suspend her or not, it will not, they're saying that it will not hamper their work. They are continuing, but I must also say, Flo, that this resolution of the committee has been met with objection. The EFF and as well as the ATM are objecting to the process starting. They are arguing that the committee should rather wait until the Concord makes a pronouncement on the application by the Public Protector to have its earlier decision rescinded. So that is where we are. The committee on the other side is saying it is continuing with its work because it has not been interdicted. There is no interdict in front of them from the court saying that they must not continue with their work. They will stop only when they are interdicted, saying also, Flo, that previously, as I said earlier on, this committee was established in April last year. it was interdicted when the public protector went to the Constitutional Court last year, until the Concord ruled in February this year, and then they decided that they will continue. They are saying that until and unless there's an interdict in front of them, they will not stop their work. They will continue with it.
And on that
Flo?
note then, when are we expecting them to then meet again? Because obviously then there would have to be another meeting for them to finalize or whatever that it is, the work that they are doing or investigating, as they've put it.
Well, Flo, the approved parliamentary program indicates that the next meeting is scheduled for the 4th of May, and they are supposed to finish their work by September this year. But we don't know, Flo, how things are going to go, because there is an intention. The committee even said today that there is an intention from the side of the public protector to again interdict their work. But if that doesn't happen, the next meeting is scheduled for the 4th of May. Talking about that interdict, Flo, I must also say that there are some concerns that have been raised by some members of the committee around that. They are saying that the public protector, her mandate is to look up after the public purse. And they are saying that they are concerned with the court cases that she's always approaching the court. As a result, there was a proposal, Flo, in the committee raised by FF Plus MP Gore Mulder that it's about time that Parliament looks at the possibility of the public protector paying personally for the legal cost of these interdicts.
All right, thanks very much to Lulama Matya for us in Cape Town regarding the matter of the public protector.